didn't work at all.
What did you do?
Broke a fucking hole in the tank. Did you see what he just did? He just went up to it and started.
How's the engine? Does it look any good?
Well, there's a lot of blow-by. See? See all that crop on there? That's from blow-by for sure.
What's blow-by?
That's where the rings don't seal and all the shit fucking gets in the cake. And yeah, I think we need this engine, dude. I think we should leave the engine here. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
Alright.
It's a good assumption.